Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Samsung A15 for quick fixes. Charge above 30% and join a reliable Wi-Fi network so updates won't fail. Backup photos and contacts to Google Drive or a PC. Once done, close heavy apps from recent to free RAM immediately. If you know how, enable developer options and turn off animations to see instant responsiveness. These first moves make larger steps faster and reduce risk, while we work on software and storage next. Now focus on the middle work. Remove unused apps and clear caches per app in Settings apps. This frees both storage and app-specific junk. Make sure at least 15% of internal storage is free so the system can use swap and temporary files efficiently. Then check Software Update and the Play Store for app updates. Updated firmware and apps often fix performance bugs. Once these updates install, reboot the phone to let the system rebuild optimizations and background services. Finish by tightening background processes. Go to Settings and restrict background data or battery use for heavy apps and disable autosync for seldom used accounts. If performance still lags after updates and cleanup, consider a factory reset only after a full backup. This removes stubborn software corruption. If the issue persists post-reset, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app causes lag. If safe mode is smooth, uninstall recent apps until performance returns to normal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.